Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, my name is Hello Baby Official. In case you're new here, guys, subscribe, comment, give our video a like, and also positive vibe all the time, guys. And I thank God for this far. And actually, that is my house. So it's evening here, and I wanna say thank you so much for those who are welcome to my YouTube channel. For the first time, let me greet you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It shall depend the time where I'm watching these videos from the far end, and actually, it's a happy moment over here. So we blessed, man. We blessed, man. For 100%, we blessed. That being said, is today we have a lot of rain here. As you can see, there's some water inside here, and at the same time, guys, I was curing my toilet. So let me show you guys. This is how the things they are here, and you can see what is running. Like, look, say hello. Yes, guys, that's my sister. So guys, it's so cold here. But after this, I'm going to take the jacket and gumboot, guys. So I wear to prevent the cold, guys. So I'm heading to my project, and more amazing videos coming, guys. So there is my cow here, my mama cows. So I thank God, guys. I thank God, man, for the reasons. I thank God for everything. I thank God for my life, guys. To be alive, I want to thank God, guys. So God is good. We have free curing of water, and the good thing is I want to cure my toilet this lab 7 days. That is 1 week. So we start from on Friday. So we start on Friday, count 1, Tuesday 2, Saturday 2, Sunday 3. So we can go up to Wednesday or Thursday. We shall finish this. And wow, man. So this is the chimney here that you see. Oh, guys. So after this, more amazing videos coming. But oh, it's open. Look. Oh. Guys, hey, it's so concrete, guys. Concrete here, and this is the pipe connect from the washroom going to the toilet or inside the toilet. This is the toilet, and this is the toilet, and other side this is the pipe connect on this toilet. So we have some partition, guys. We have some partition. So toilet, washroom. So here we have 4 doors coming up. Oh man, look at this huge transformation. So guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming from here, guys. Yes, I'm just here. Good.
Hey guys, what's up? So anytime you film, you put yourself also, but it's not clear.
You have too much of.
Right here is okay. Guys, I'm here with Hello Baby.
Yes.
He requested for a short minute, but I don't know if Hello Baby, but congratulations. Yes. I don't want to be the guy giving out the message.
No.
Yes.
Even the video meant here, it's different, and then even in terms of capital, I increase.
Oh, what do you mean? The video you did here?
Bring me good money.
No, don't even think about. Just make good videos.
Yes.
People will always show up. Yes, guys, we are cooking here.
Yes.
Anastasia here and Masubo, they are preparing some Irish potatoes, and they have cooked ugali, but half of the ugali is outside. I don't know why.
The sufuria was too small.
They can get a big sufuria. Yes. Guys, keep supporting Hello Baby.
Yes.
And let Hello Baby finish his video.
Yep.
Hi.
Okay. So guys, we just over here, and I want to cook here ugali. Masubo, only for me I want to see this ugali is okay. This probably white too good. Oh guys, acha kuongea mara. Unajua kuhundi kamera. Mara. Yara kodi vitu. Eh? So guys. Tuko 15. Mara mgani? Unajua. Oh man, and over here you have some meat. You want to chop them, and Irish potatoes. Hey, today's menu, guys, are very, very delicious and delicacy. So we chop this, and I'm waiting my brother to hold for me a camera, so we chop and then we fly, guys. You find. Oh guys, so let me see my soup. We call gake. Kujam. Okay, so that is coming from there. So we need to chop the meat into small pieces, and then yes, guys. So that is coming here, and hold for me. You must wash your hand before you chop.
Wash over here.
Hey, take your camera serious. Hey, welcome home. Tell what? Hey, today is today.
Today is tomorrow.
And you imagine you came from where? Market, animal market. That's okay. And you can hold me a camera. So I want to wash my hand and then chop some meat, guys. Wow, you see? And these are chopping what?
Board.
So we cut into small pieces.
Yeah, small pieces.
Like in our village here.
Maybe let me bring that.
This one is not working.
No, let us check over this. Let me show you.
You know, you do like this.
Yeah, that's what I was wanting. I was wanting you to do it.
I know you do. Like this.
Yeah.
So guys,
You are not a village boy.
So I'm a city boy.
Yo.
Oh. I'm a village boy. So when tomorrow morning I go to the border town, I go to buy we call a file. Yes, for sharpening the knife. File. Sindo your file. Okay, okay, hold it for me. Yeah? And I need to chop this meat. And here's my brother.
Aye. Ambil ule soja mpya. Roni.
So
guys, keep watching the video. So you're just progressing, as you can just see, guys, just chopping. It's all, yeah, chop.
Or we touch like this.
Which I'll just give you which.
You give me bad the knife.
Take this.
Hey,
take
it's
that.
Not sharp. Yeah, this one.
This that one.
Yes.
So keep watching the video. If you're first time, guys, kindly watch till the end and just drop your thoughts concerning this amazing video. Your subscription, guys, is highly appreciated.
Wow. Well, guys, so I chopped the meat, and I think it's okay because this one have bones and meat, and so it creates the in the bones here you have things we call bone marrows, and then it creates pure soup over here. And at the same time, I'm just taking care of the ugali because we have one of the youngest lady cooking the ugali here. But most of the time, I'm gonna help her when she's not around. Well, guys, so we just over here, and I try to imagine in the morning we came from the animal market. So it's a very, very nice, people hospitable, and we just interact by each other from different tribe, from different culture. And then the crazy thing about in our market, I learned something. When you want to sell a goat, so for example, okay, right, guys, so there is one guy going outside, and I want to say, for example, I'm the owner of the goat, or I'm the owner of the sheep or the cow, whichever the case, and I need to sell them. And when I meet the buyer, I found the crazy thing, guys. You do like you shaking hand, and then you do 1, 2, 3. So that's the things which I learned in the market. And, it's a good thing. It's a good thing. So I want to ask Masubo whether I chop the meat, all of them, or I left for other pieces. You know, I need to know. Right. So which of them, and remain with this one. And I think technically let's chop all of them. So this one I wanna put inside here. So guys, so let's put inside here. There is no problem. Guys, and we need to cook for them. And the guys, don't forget, I have my own project, and I thank God for this far. So everything, it's on progress. No hurry up, you know. So like this moment, we just over here. So yeah, we need to clear the polythene bag over here. And it's a good thing, you know. It's a good thing. It's a good thing. Oh, so I need to chop them, and it has a lot of fat, guys. So we add a little bit of cooking oil. So because already it has some fat over here, you can see. Oh, guys. And then, wow, look, and then boom. Hey, so let's chop this. That's bongot, and at the same time, I'm chopping some meat here in pieces, guys. So let me know in the comment section. But this one is bones. Don't mind. Alright, so now I'll cut it. What the? I'm carrying what can give them. I'm gonna get time. Hey. Wow. To the where? To the inside the kitchen.
I'm just going to prepare it because we had to do some like I'm just wanting to...
Okay, because gas is faster.
Yeah.
And then let me chop the Irish potatoes.
Yeah,
all of them. Or
we are just going to... No, it's just only peeling and then washing, no chopping of it.
So no cutting into small pieces.
No cutting.
Only the way they are.
Yeah.
I remove the outer.
Yeah.
All right. So guys, enjoy this vlog for today. Give a like, comment, and also let me know in the comment section what do you think about these videos. More amazing videos coming, and let's chop it. So no, there's a stuff look like a grinder for chopping the Irish potatoes. If for those guys who are making French fry, they know it. So I was talking for this stuff, and my friend bring it here, and she was chopping the Irish potatoes here. And actually, guys, she's a lady. So let's hold for me a camera. What try? I'm new, guys. I'm learning these things slowly. Wow. Oh. Hey. Hey guys, let's try knife. You know. I tried the knife. It's okay. Oh guys. Fry. Time yangu chimukiore. Hey viras. Hey guys, this is Anastasia, guys. So just here, and it's lunchtime over here, so we need to cook. Hey, Mr. Jackie. So you mean we chop the Irish or we left the way they are?
No, Let them be over there like that.
So I had your phone was calling there. And I don't know who is calling.
Okay.
Or is a message?
No, it was somebody who was calling. Yeah.
And remember guys, I have here some black coffee. So hey, this is a happy moment. So we done locally guys. There is other work guys we left for the ladies, you know. So we can't do all of them, but it's good maybe to learn from each other. Eh? Nowadays you're smiling.
Like, yeah, I must smile.
The onions we have here, and we chop the onions, and finally you put the cooking oil. So we just over here with Mr. Gake, and maybe in the future we became chef, and
No, not became
and maybe good husband in the future for somebody else.
For somebody who's sitting watching.
Watching. So reduce the fire, Masig. It will. Ooh. Guys, me I'm telling Masubu to do some fire. I do the time we come. Yeah. Content.
No, guys, today's showering in the river.
Showering?
In the river.
Oh. Mr. Dedicated.
Yeah. What is our job doing, guys?
And I had some diffusion of the smell guys, from a high level. Hey, you must have some woolen called stuff for catching stray rice. Try to make rice. Wow. Alright guys, so enjoyed today's vlog, and it's a very special videos, and let's know in the comment section what do you think of these videos guys. And today I'm very happy in this world because things went right guys. I can't complain, you know. So Mr. Dedicated, you wanna use maybe guys the cooking stick. We use the cooking stick.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the cooking stick we use to. Look guys, what we are doing here. Look like this. It brings some flavor. We call it flavor. Roiko. So we need more ingredients. So to add more flavor, guys. So just cooking, guys. Like mother told me how to cook, man, and I know how to start. And at least it brings some flavor, guys, over here. So that being said, today's videos are very special, and I can't complain on that. Flow with the vibe until the end. Alright. What woman can do, also man can also do. and I need to squeeze some firewood, guys. Like, ooh. Mr. Dedicated, did you add soup?
No, after putting the Irish, just have the water.
That's the Royco cube.
The Royco cube, guys.
Yes, to add some flavor. So just like that. Oh, I crush under the end.
Yeah.
And for me, Mr. Dedicated, I want to say sorry for today.
Okay.
I want to rush somewhere else, so I'm okay.
Okay.
So in terms of lunch, yeah. So you know, in our village, there's some activity going on, some issues. Maybe there is some privacy issues, you know.
Yeah.
So I need to go, and when I am asked where I'm going, you told him where I'm heading to. All right. So you can put some soup, and then you open for me the gate, so I'm ready to go.
Okay.
Yes. Add soup, and guys, because I received the call from my mom, I need to rush. Pop, and it's some few kilometers from here up to. Wow, guys, so we add soup, a little bit for, then for adding flavor, guys. How do you see nowadays? You know how to cook?
I have experience
A lot.
Yeah.
And maybe, guys, you are sitting and watching both of us here, and maybe in future you need a husband like must only guy can hello baby. For those who knows how to cook, I mean in terms of cooking, guys, don't be confused, guys. In terms of cooking, we just hear hello baby and Mr. Gaki. So Mr. Gaki, open for me. Yes, guys, and I need to wear the jacket because in the morning we are not here. We went to the market, guys, and we see the videos. It's just over here, and I will join together. Hey. Guys, I like this coat, this jacket. Well, guys, so stay tuned. I wanna leave this place right now. Waramasubu, maybe I will come in the evening. Kuja maji. Yes, I want to take water. So maybe I will come in the evening time.
Okay.
And then we chill here together, vibing.
Okay.
Yes, guys, so I want to say thank you so much. May God bless you. For those who are welcome to my channel for the first time, subscribing, comment, and also like, guys. All the time, positive vibes. And over here, just say
Mr. Gaki, guys, subscribe, like, and comment, and also just tell us what you think about this amazing video. From you who was dedicated, bro, your favorite boy, Mr. Gaki. Keep it locked. Here we go.
Okay, guys. Wow. So bye bye, guys. I wanna say bye bye, but more videos are coming on this vlog for today, guys. So guys, here I go. It's with my motorbike. So here I go, and I will come maybe evening time, guys. Keep it low. Guys, here we go. And remember to subscribe to Uncle Mo's, guys. Wow. We have a corner shop here. Hey. Well, guys, so it's all morning here. So we're heading to the market, animal market in Gake. What's up? On the other side of the market, guys. Check that out. Well, here we go. I'll go to the market. Wow. You can introduce yourself.
Gake. You are the dedicated boy of Mr. Gake. And as guys, we are just holding over here the ship, whereby we're just taking it towards the market. So let me just hold it tightly so that actually it can just not run some damages. So here we go. If you're first time watching this, can you please consider by subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. Just right now over here the village, wherever guys, we're just taking the ship toward the market so that you can just come and just progress with the other activities. So if you're watching this, watch till the end, guys. So here just progress, here just hitting the road, guys. Yeah. Where's Tivo? We finish
So guys, we are heading to the market and stay tuned. You can see them here. So guys, we just make some deal here over here. So I want to take my motorbike, and today's our market today, so let's go. Wow, so we just keep ourselves pushing, man, and I'm heading this way. Okay. So guys, you see how people are populated and coming back and selling all stuff. Oh guys, so this is the outside of the market. Oh guys, and I want to sell this sheep here, over here. Alright guys, so you must do like you do like this. Shake my hand, you do like this. You do like this. Wow. Out there, that's Kibandaski Hotel, going that way. Anyways. Here, the fucking boat. Okay guys, so we just over here and trying to sell the goods. Oh guys, so it's time to leave over here. And I so guys, I'm asking, selling price and then wow, so it's time to leave here and we are heading home guys right now. So we wanna say thank you so much guys. Yeah. We said everything. Yes, and we are taking African porridge.
African porridge guys over here, not porridge. It's like porridge, but it's not porridge guys.
Wow, guys.
A bit nice.
So guys, we're going home after the market, guys. And here we go. This is the beauty of my village here. The best village in the world, guys. Oh. Oh guys, so I hope you want to enjoy the vlog for my today, and give a like. And it's amazing, guys. I went to Mabera. I see the markets, and it's not my first time, but for those who are watching my videos, it's your first time to see my market or animal market, where we sold some cow, goat, sheep, hens, rabbits, puppy, everything. And we interact with so many people from different cultures. We share ideas in terms of business, you know. So guys, I want to say thank you so much. May God bless you, and let's meet for the next videos, which is tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.